Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
Nyotram National Youth Front East Khasi Hills HNYF minta kasi balang ka afratrek nailo aja apu ar lahir ban khandra license haki benta jingkitan gari khana terter hayodu kaseng ha kajingalam assistant secretary batli borswe ringkat kidkhat kaseng ban khandra license na kidukan jangi barjala kibabu kidukan thotim kaseng hadian kajimbut dian basim kia kabalaisin lentar ka ala badan kidukan barjala jong hikat tu kane kibala ban penbiang hikat kisla bat kijing dan kam ta kajing berngam jo kaseng ribun pat kibale klam sunyo da kabale persya klam dan kilaisen kumta kalapan kroja kaseng bat kila khang kerdab jin sautli kidukan barjala bat maham tat hadu bakin penbiang laisen kila bat pelipan.
That is your responsibilities. Not ours.
Everyone from there, they are not getting.
Everyone
When we go and
you
crash,
go down there, you see all they have there. Why only you?
It's been like more than 1 month that I have already written.
That's what all these people down there they have. Why not you? Can you give me that answer? Why not you? We came from down there. We came from down there. We already see the license that's there. Why not you? Because you are taking lightly. No, you are taking lightly. You are taking lightly. Before starting the business, you should maintain all the paper. Then only you can start the business.
Yes, then we have the papers. No, but then they are not giving us.
Where is the paper now? I told you. Before driving the car, you should get a proper
What
license.
license do you need from district council or from the sales
Tax.
tax?
This from the sale tax for archery. License for archery. But you don't have that thing. Just by showing that paper, that is just a challenge.
This is the proof, no, that we have given for the.
I understand that is the proof, but how will you drive the car without having license? Don't you understand? Don't you get my point?
Before driving car, also they used to give the learner one.
Yeah,
also.
once you'll get the learner, but you'll have to sit with somebody else who is a professional driver. Nginam song tan ti hakabaya dai bakani ka isu ka bangiyat ngilak sngothu ba menta kalong very sensitive namar ladon ba wan ban pen kami da kumni kam tai yang iru dia nadu dan sedang hingi ladon kata ka jing yo jing tep ba hapok ni ka jing peniat tim kadon ka ikai salendat tamen kani ladon ki bawan kumni kam tai ban pen kami yang ngai ngi stick baik yaka nongrem ka bangila bu nadu ba sedang banganiat kani ka di baik tang lam ta ka revenue ngimdon jing tho yanu ru directly ya ka tax department ngir ka pat ba kan penbiang ki kot kisla khnang ba kan ka kam kan ya ko kom ko badai kata ka long ka bas ngolong la bon sien ngila lek ya kan du ngila lek ya karen ban yo penyat ya kan ka kam hakor kom ko badai andai na kaliang ka department ka bu por sibuk por tip yo kadon ka salandat nama ngiskutu ba kadon ka scam hang ni hapo tambah keempat pau pertai skuiski ya kan ni kejing ya operation ngin sati ya kai kejing sisa ka badan po dangi lalam ngin sap batai pi media di jong kini ki non tribal kini ki barjala ki ba use ya kan ni ka business klam sla kila ya la penya la bun senam ya kan ya tambah tim sudnyo ya ka jingwan khandra ka jungi ha ka baningkong kidang pen ibor hi wala mataru ha ka jung bangban sia ngiru ngidom ngikang la ka khang be ka dukan PR ngut ki bala sim kya kini ki barjala kidon badru ki badang sakut sa haju pen ibor ki ya be ha ka lenti ka la jong dengan bansir su gitu ki bang ilawan asian ngihap khang khadap na sendanya ka dukan harba lingba ni ka tax department kadon ka hok ban lek khandra ban lek pe ya kini ki illegal tir kontas ndai ngas kasngol lengo ba kini ki department balik ki brio to ka department balik ki islam mate ban sim ya ki ban lek khandra license na igni apa kamtam kini ki jaka kamtam kan ni kamu pram babun penyak di tangdau khar sudah